As someone who works in office leasing, one of the questions I get a lot from people is, how is the office market right now? And inevitably say, well, it's mixed. Something that we're really fortunate about in our market is that new construction supply was really trending downwards before the pandemic. This was just a natural decline in supply due to previous deliveries. It had nothing to do with the pandemic. What's really helped us insulate ourselves as more space has come back on the market without having a glut of new supply to fill. For the first time since the Great Recession, we have seen asking rents decline. Typically in Portland, the asking rates have been on a steady incline over the years, with some of the biggest years being 6% to 7% and 9% year-over-year rent growth. In the last 18 months, we've seen sales in Portland steadily be on the decline. However, there's a couple few unique and interesting sales, and one of them I wanted to highlight was the sale of the Pittock block. That sold for $326 million, which came out to over $1,000 a square foot for that building, which is well above what other comparable office buildings sell for in the market. The reason for this is that it was the main hub for the internet service providers in the Portland market. I think what this reflects is institutional investors' interest in seeking different and creative sources of revenue post-pandemic, especially in such an uncertain market. But overall, in the next 3 years, I'm very bullish on the Portland office market. We have a more diversified employment base than we've had in the past. We're seeing a number of IPOs happening right now, and those companies continue to expand their footprint as they get additional capital to grow. We're also really excited about new businesses that are up and coming, whether they may be in the incubation stage right now, at a co-working place, or in their garage. As those businesses grow, they're going to need additional office space or to increase office space. So there's a lot of bright spots in the future, and we look forward to the office market and coming out of the pandemic.